Hello, boys and girls. So, you've done a sum, a train sum using plus, and you've done a train sum using minus. Now, you're going to do a train sum that's got both plus and minus in the train. So, boys and girls, do you remember that when we plus, that means that the train stops at the train station and picks up so many passengers. And when we minus, the train stops at the train station and so many passengers get off the train. So, boys and girls, let's start with this train trip. This train has how many passengers in it when it starts? It's got 2, that's right. It's got 2 passengers in it. So let's have a look at the train behind me. And the train has 2 passengers in it. Now, it says that the train needs to go to the next train stop to pick up 3 passengers because it says plus. So we know that when it's plus, it's going to get more passengers. So we've got to go to the next train stop and we need to pick up 3 passengers. So let's get the train going. So as the train moves along to the next station, it's got to stop so 3 passengers can get on board. So we've got 1 passenger, 2 passenger, 3 passengers. So now, boys and girls, let's see how many passengers we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passengers. So the train now has 5 passengers on board. So, boys and girls, we now need to write a number 5 on the first train. So there we have a 5. So we know that 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. Now, we've got to keep going to the next train station. At the next train station, how many passengers? There are 2. Now, what do we want to do? Are we going to pick them up or are they going to get off the train? Look carefully now. They're going to get off the train because it says minus. So let's get these passengers to their destination and keep going. So the train keeps moving across till it gets to the next station, and then 2 passengers have to get off. 1 passenger gets off. 2 passengers get off the train. Now, boys and girls, how many passengers are left? 1, 2, 3 passengers are left on the train. So let's have a look here. We had 5 passengers, 2 passengers just got off, and we've now got 3 passengers left on the train. Now, boys and girls, it's coming to the end of the day. This train's got to get to the train station before it gets dark. So let's have a look. We've got 3 passengers on the train. At the next train station, we've got to do something with 4 passengers. Are we picking them up or are they getting off the train? Well, it says plus, and that means we've got to pick up 4 passengers that are waiting at the train. So quickly, let's get going. The train moves along and gets to the next station, and when it stops, it's got to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 passengers at the next station. So now, boys and girls, let's count how many passengers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 passengers on the train. So, boys and girls, we know that 3 plus 4 is the same as 7. So we now have 7 passengers on the train. So, boys and girls, that is how you do train sums. Have lots of fun, practice, and you'll get them right. Bye!